Out. I'm gonna go to my voice memo and we're gonna see if it works. Word. What's up, y'all? That's what I'm talking about. Way better. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, show your boy content. Let me turn the air down. So, today's video, I want to talk about, this is actually my first electronic video of many videos. The reason why I'm doing an electronic video, a review on these, because I want to give you guys my approval if they work or not. So this is basically, it's called a PV510, a Lavalier microphone, and I can attach it to my shirt. And I want to see if they actually work or not, you feel me? So the downside about these headphones is that I have this little, it comes with a headphone jack, right? Which my phone is not compatible with. Because, you know, on the latest iPhones, and I don't have the latest one, I think I got like the 7 or the 8, it only has the charger port because, you know, Apple don't care about their people no more. But, you know, they trying to get with the times, I guess. They trying to move ahead. But look, so since I don't have that, since I have this, I also, where is it at? I also bought one of these off of Amazon. So basically what this is I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a Lighting headphone jack adapter. Basically I can, you know, plug the headphone, plug this deal into this part, and I can use the headphones. You see what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm finna open it. Where you can get these products, depending on if they're good or not, you can get them off of Amazon. 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have a link in the description. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, go check out my other videos to catch up on my personality as well. So it comes with some instructions, I'm sure. And of course, it comes with some extra earmuffs, I guess. And also this little bigger part, I guess you can connect this to like a stereo, or I don't know. It's a bigger head jack though. I mean, it's a bigger jack part. And then here we go right here with the lavalier microphone itself. So let's see if it really works or not. As you can tell, as you're listening, you can hear the audio from the GoPro. You can let me know in the comment section if it's good to you guys or not, while I put this on, and we're gonna see if it actually, you know, works and whatnot. Oh man, I gotta make sure I put it on the correct way. I don't even know how this goes. Okay, I gotcha. All right, let's do it. Let's try it. I'm kind of hyped about it though, cause I'm kind of hyped about it, cause you know my quality has been trash. So what that means is, my quality's been trash. So it ain't been trash, but it's been working for you guys for the most part. Let me see. Let's see how this should even look. Oh no, I guess I gotta figure out how to make it look all casual looking and stuff though. But we finna see if it work or not. Alright, where my little adapter at? You know, I'm doing this video right before I go to the gym. So I'm about to hit chest today. Couple chest workouts. I should be heading there as we speak though, you know, trying to get that extra work in. Gotta get that extra money in. But you know, I'm here to make a video for you guys, which you guys can go subscribe to your boy channel, and stay tuned for more up and coming videos, especially electronic reviews, because your boy like electronics, especially when it comes to the cameras, microphones, lenses, stuff like that. So we're gonna test this bad boy out. I'm gonna go to my voice memo, and we're gonna see if it works. Word. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, show your boy content. I can't hear it right now, but I'm pretty sure 9 times out of 10 you guys can hear it when I hook it up to the when I set it up on a computer. But let me know, guys, what you think. Yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think, if it's a big difference or not. I'm actually gonna listen to it once I get off this phone. I mean, once I get off the headset itself, I'm gonna listen to it for myself. And as well, if you want to check out the mic, if you want to check where to get the microphone and the adapter itself, definitely go look in the description where I will have the links, depending on how it sounds, because I ain't finna be selling you guys no trash, you feel me? So that's it for the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, show your boy content. It's JoJo. We out. Alright, y'all. What's up, y'all? JoJo here. Make sure you like, subscribe, show your boy content. So I actually got to listen to it on a voice memo. I was thinking that I had to wait till I get to the house. It's because my mind was moving kind of fast at the time. But it don't sound that bad whatsoever. I do want to get you guys comments. So, I want you guys to comment below on what you think on how the mic sound. I know it sounds a little bit different from the GoPro, being that it's a mic, it's a whole mic. But I'm gonna figure out, the pros and the cons as I get used to the mic, because I know for a fact when I was listening to it, it still kind of sound a little raspy or whatever. But I do believe at the same time, since it's much more of a clear voice, that you guys can understand me a lot more easier as well. If you do agree, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, show your boy content, and then I'll stay in touch. I'll go from there. All right, guys.